In this video, I'll guide you through how to unlink Google Calendar from Honeybook. So if you've previously connected your Google Calendar to Honeybook and now need to disconnect it, you're in the right place. Whether you're trying to simplify your digital landscape or just need a fresh start, this process is pretty straightforward. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up Honeybook. Once you've logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile photo or your company logo. Click on this to access your account settings. This is your gateway to customizing how Honeybook works for you, including managing your integrations. Next up, select Company Settings. This section holds all your business's key information and preferences. From there, go to Integrations. The Integrations page is where you manage all external services linked to Honeybook, making it the ideal place to manage your Google Calendar connection. Once you're on the integrations page, look for the Google Calendar section. This is where you'll find all the details about your current connection. It's important to note that your synced email address will be displayed here, confirming which account is linked to Honeybook. Now, to unlink Google Calendar, simply click the disconnect button located next to your synced email address. This action severs the link between Honeybook and your Google Calendar, effectively stopping any further syncs. Keep in mind that once you disconnect, you'll no longer receive calendar updates or notifications from Google Calendar within Honeybook. So make sure that you're ready to manage your appointments elsewhere or have another system in place before you proceed. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked your Google Calendar from Honeybook. If you ever need to reconnect or link a different Google Calendar account, you can always return to the integrations page and set that up again. Remember, Honeybook is all about flexibility and tailoring the experience to fit your needs. So feel free to make adjustments as your business evolves. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you streamline your Honeybook setup. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on making the most of your digital tools and integrations. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy organizing.